Hey, this is Marcus with Premium Audio Company. Today we're going to be talking about our Integra 8.4. So this is one of our flagship products. This is built with the CI dealer or integrator at heart. The first thing I always like to show is the back panel to the unit. So we have everything in white. It makes it easier to read. This is a 11 channel, 11.4. We have 4 subwoofer outs, 2 of those independently controlled. So you could control them for the front or back of the room or left to right. Unique to this unit, we have XLR for the front, right, center, and left. We also have subwoofer 1 and 2 as XLRs. We have 15 speaker terminals for 11 power channels. We have 2 of these terminals on each side that can be for a passive subwoofer. So you're doing an in-wall sub, you can use those as pre-outs. This has 150 watts at 2 channels driven at 0.08 total harmonic distortion. So what we're trying to do is give the maximum amount of power for that theater application. If you look on the inside here, we have a massive power supply, so plenty of power for all channels. We have a lot of cooling, so these can be in a lot of different applications without putting off a lot of heat. Now, when you go to the back, the HDMI board, we also add heat sinks to our HDMI to keep those performing at their best capability. We also add on the 8.4 a low noise fan to keep the maximum amount of cooling for your HDMI boards. All of these products are Works with Sonos certified. So if your customer is a Sonos customer, you can add up to 3 zones of Sonos. The other cool thing built into the unit is a full bandwidth DRX Live license. So if you're not familiar with DRX, it stays out of the frequency domain and instead uses the timing domain. So you don't lose the characteristics of your amplifier or your products. It is very easy. You can also do the bass calibration through DRX, and that is an additional possibility. If you don't use, or if you use clip speakers, all of the clip speaker presets are built in. So the crossover points are there. If you're using DRX, you're not going to need to use that anyway. They're awesome units. And